Here in the video we will share the details for the Tekken 8 error code A-02802-00898-1/RGAP-FVG86KFXX6R. The error reads, "Unable to connect to the server, returning to the main menu." As per our research, this error occurs when players attempt to rematch in an online match, but instead of continuing, they get disconnected and are sent back to the main menu. The issue appears to be related to server connectivity, network settings, or cross-platform play. The first thing you should do is restart your console or PC along with your internet connection. Once restarted, check if there are any pending updates for the game. If an update is available, install it and try playing again. Some players have reported that turning off cross-platform play helped fix the issue, so give this a try. To do this, open Tekken 8 settings, then go to Online Options, then turn off crossplay, then restart the game and see if the error still comes up. If the error persists, try switching to a different internet connection. You can use a mobile hotspot or try another Wi-Fi network and check if this helps with the issue. Some users have found that using a VPN helps bypass the error. If you have access to a VPN, connect to a different server location and try playing again. If none of these solutions work, the issue may be server-related or require an official fix. In that case, reach out to Tekken 8, support and report the issue.